What up, people? Me again. Happy Friday, y'all. So, look, I got another unboxing, but before I get into that, there's a couple of things I want to let you know about. Just as information, man. We just no format. We just throw you some information. A couple things you need to be on the lookout for from Crusher's Creations is coming out with his new fall scent. I believe it's next Friday, if I'm not mistaken. It's called Fall Fantasy. I've gotten my nose around that, and that is really, really good. And you know it's Crusher's quality, so no worries there. If you haven't tried Crushers yet, you really need to try Crushers. Go check him out. Go check out his Instagram page. Hit his new website, which is super nice. Y'all go check him out. Also, be on the lookout for the new kid on the block, Revered Grooming Company. If you're not following them, I'll put a link down below. But check out Revered Grooming Company. Matter of fact, if you scroll back in my Instagram IGTVs, you'll see that I did like an unboxing first impression on the scents, the balm and oil from Revered. There's one called Turncoat. That's a oud base, but not just oud. It's something real special. Check it out. Check that one out. Check them all out. But they're coming. They're dropping. Keep your eyes peeled. Anyhow, enough time away from that. So I got another unboxing today, but this time I'm super duper late on this company. It's coming from Damn Yankee. Got us a little bit of something from Damn Yankee. I ordered their was it CTV, Cedar Tobacco Vanilla CTV. They have a 4-ounce bomb, and I got their oil as well. So let me bust in here and see what we got. It's a nice little big old box. Hey. All right, so just as I see it, handwritten little thanks, Rob, from Pete. Pete is the owner at Damn Yankee. Very nice. Always love that nice extra special touch. Really cool sticker. That's a high quality sticker. Very, very nice. Let's see where I can put this where the wind won't blow it away. I don't know what this is, but this is, wow, y'all. It's a piece of, is that cedar? I'm not sure what that is, but it's a place for me to hold my bottle of oil. That's super duper cool. That's really, really nice. Really nice, and the bottom is really smooth. Very nice touch. I don't have anything like that. So it says stop something, so I'm going to stop and I'm going to try to read it. Refrigerate 30 minutes prior to opening. Yeah, we didn't do that. Not too terribly hot out today, so I'm going to give it a shot. If something goes wrong, it's my damn fault. So let's be careful to keep all this stuff upright. What? That's more than what I ordered, so let's see what's happening. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Okay. So it looks like we got some throw-ins in here. That's really cool. Let me try to find a place to put all this stuff. A little bag full of stuff I got. Looks like some samples. And this is what I ordered. Cedar Tobacco Vanilla CTV. So I can't wait to get into that. And I'm sorry for Pete for not heeding your instructions, but I'm a rebel. I do what I want. All right, so this must be the CTV oil. Let's go ahead and get into what I ordered first. Love the feel of that label. That's clearly oil waterproof, but it's a different feel than anything I've had before. It's a real slick, smooth feel. So let's get in here. Come on, baby. Shark, we're still tapping for you, buddy. We still tapping. I said a while ago tapping was for babies. Apparently I'm a baby. Oh man, that is really nice. Cedar tobacco and vanilla. The vanilla's back there. The vanilla's not up front. And it's hard to tell which one's more up front between the cedar and the tobacco, but that's a really nice scent. A great tobacco scent is what I'd call that one. With some vanilla in the back. So I'm super duper late on Damn Yankee. And I saw him, and I've been wanting to get him for a while. Just never was the right time. I always had a bunch of products in front of me before reviews and stuff. So I finally got around to him, and I started looking at a bunch of reviews on which product should I get. I heard a lot about Pipe Bomb. I heard a lot about CTV. There's a couple more that I can't recall right now that I heard stuff on. But Brian from Beards and Banjos, that's my good dude. That's a really good dude. If you're not subscribed to him, check out Brian from Beards and Banjos. He had said that this was his favorite scent from Damn Yankee, so I can totally see that. Totally see that. I like it. It's a manlier, deeper, richer. It's definitely not overpowering. That's a real light and thin, like a clearer oil. Maybe it's just thin because it's been sitting in my mailbox. Who knows? So let's get into this butter. That's a big old 4-ounce tub of butter right there. I mean, that's butter. This alone would probably last me the rest of the year easy. All right, we got some electrical tape around there, looks like, which is really smart to keep it sealed. Probably should have turned it upside down, and I hope to God this is not liquefied, and if it is, it's all me. All right, so we're going to do this really carefully. Okay, so he's already smart. That means it must be prone to melting. Oh no, we're great, y'all. Wish that came off in one piece, but let's see. Damn, it feels good. That is a whipped butter. Really good. Not nearly as strong as the oil is. And the oil's not strong. This just doesn't match its strength. Wow, it's got like a Crisco consistency. Not Crisco greasy, but nice and light. Man, that's instantly emulsified. This is going to be good for beards. Yeah, that's going to be nice. I'll be putting that one in tonight. Thank you, Pete. Appreciate you, sir. Let's see what this let's see what these other two. We've got what, 3 minutes left? Maybe I can whiz through it. Got a couple of samples. We'll bust through real quick. So this one is barbershop. If you don't know, I love a barbershop. I've never turned down a barbershop. Absolutely love a barbershop. So apparently this is called simply barbershop. Yeah, that's right in line with a lot of them, but it's got it's a little bit fresher. It's not as talky. It's a little more fresh and has it reminds me of shaving cream. So that's really nice. Probably gonna have to go back for this one next because I do love a barbershop. And Pawpaw's chair. I heard a lot about this one. I think this is supposed to be some like a cherry tobacco leather or something like that. I'm not sure. Please don't quote me, but we're about to find out. Wow, that's there's leather in there for sure. And I don't smell cherry tobacco. As soon as I get done with this video, I'll go in here and check it out. Oh, that's a really good smell, and that's a good smell of love that version of leather, Pete. I love that version of leather. So let's see what Pipe Bomb is about. I think I've got just the, what is this, a butter, I hope? We'll find out in a minute. I don't think it says on the top that, or I'm just blind. Taking off that tape. Pipe Bomb is supposed to be cherry tobacco or something like that. Oh wow, this is different. I don't know if that's the bomb or the butter, but it is a little melted, but like I said, that would be all me. It's of a different consistency than the butter, and let me see if I can even see on here. Damn Yankee Beard Co. Pipe Bomb. I'm assuming it's a butter. By touching it, it feels like a butter. It's just not the same consistency. My stars. That's chocolate and... Is that chocolate and cherry tobacco? I'm not sure. I can't wait to look that one up. I think I've got an unscented oil that I can pair with that, but that Pipe Bomb is very good. It smells just like chocolate cherries or chocolate covered cherries with the tobacco back there. But anyhow, really good stuff from Damn Yankee. Y'all go check them out. I'm really liking the scents. I can't wait to see what the butter's doing. Y'all, I love this stuff. It makes me happy. Anyway, just wanted to share a little bit of time with you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Happy Friday. Y'all be good. Take care of yourselves now.